Hello students, today we will continue with the exercise 5.2. This is the topic of standard 10 chapter number 5 arithmetic progressions. Okay, so now we will study the question number 10. And what is the question? The question is the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. See, here we have given one situation only. We do not have given the first term. We do not have given the value of any terms. But we have given the situation. And what is the situation? We have given the two terms A17 and A10. Okay. And we have to find out the common difference. So, what is the situation? According to the situation, the whatever the AP is there, its 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. That means 17th term is greater, 10th term is lower. To make both the term equal, we have to add 7 to A10. By doing this, we can get this equation. Now using this equation, we have to find out the value of D. But how? We do not have the value of A anything. Okay, just put the value of according to the formula that we are using to find out the nth term. And what is that formula? Formula is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, using this formula for 17th term, we can write down here A plus 16D. Right? Because n minus 1, n is 17, n minus 1 that is 17 minus 1. So we will get 16D. In the same way, for the A10 we get A plus 9D. And 7 is as it is. Now what will happen? This A and A will cancel out each other. Taking this 9D to the left hand side, it will be subtracted from the 16D. 16D minus 9D that is equals to 70. And right hand side what we have remained? 7. By taking this 7 to the right hand side, it will go in the denominator with the 7. So we will get the value of D is equals to 1. Okay. So in this way, using only 3 to 4 step, by 3 to 4 step, we can find out the value of D. But this condition that we have to write correct in the correct way. Okay. Okay. Now let us study the question number 11. And what is the question? Question is which term of the AP we have given an AP. The first term is 3, then 15, 27, 39 dot 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 will be 132 more than its 54th term. Okay. So in this case we have to find out the term number, which is how many more? 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, so currently we have given this AP 3, 15, 27, 39. Okay, let us find out the value that we can get from this. We get the value of first term, that is A is equals to 3. And what will be that common difference? 15 minus 3, 12. Or 27 minus 15, 12. Or 39 minus 27, 12. So the common difference is 12. A first term is 3. We have to find out the number of term. See the difference. We do not have to find out the value of the term. In this question we have asked which term. Which term means number of the term. Right? So we have to find out the number of that term. And let's suppose that number is nth term. Now, according to the situation given in the question is that nth term that we have to find out its value, that is n, is 132 more than 54th term of this AP. So this an term value is greater, A54 term value is lower. So to make them equal, we have to put 132 to the A54 side. That is why now both the sides are equal. Now use the formula that we know. A is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. And here using the formula we get A plus n minus 1, that is equals to 53, and D is equals to 12, that we have already get here, and 132 as it is. Okay, now here what will happen? See, A and A will cancel out each other. N minus 1 into D. D is 12. Okay, here we will get, what we will get? 53 into 12, that is equals to 636 plus 132. So by multiplying this 12, we will get 12n minus 12 is equals to, by adding this 2, we will get 768. Now take this 12 to the right hand side. Again we have to add 12 to this. We will get 780. And left hand side only 12n will remain. Now dividing by both the sides with 12, we get the value of n is equals to 65. And what is that? That is the term number. So this term, 65th term, is 132 more than 54th term. Right? Value of 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. Understand? Okay. 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 Let us study the question number 13. And what is the question? The question number 13 is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. So this question is totally different that we have already studied. Here we have given that how many 3 digits number are divisible by 7. So let us start with the 3-digit number. The very first 3-digit number is 100 and the last 3-digit number is 999, because after that we will get the 10,000, and 10,000 is a 4-digit number. Again here the previous number of 100 is 99 and 99 is 2-digit number. In the question we have given that we have to consider only 3 digits number. So the first 3-digit number is 100 and the last 3-digit number is 999. Now out of all these numbers from 100 to 999, how many numbers which are divisible by 7, that we have to find out. Right? So we have to find out what number of the terms. Right? Okay. So let's suppose there are n numbers. N numbers which are divisible by 7. So we have to find out the value of n. Okay. Now the first term which is divisible by 7, that we can find out. How? See, 100. 100 is not divisible by 7. 101, 102, 103, 104. All these numbers are not divisible by 7. So the very first number which is divisible by 7 is 105. Right? So we will indicate it as a first term, A1 or A. The first term which is divisible by 7 is 105 and it is a 3-digit number. Now the next term we get A2 is equals to 112. Yes, which is divisible by 7. How we can get it? We know the number which is divisible by 7 is 105. So by adding 7 we get the second number. In this way, by adding the 7 we will get the third number. Okay, we can also find out the numbers which is divisible by 7 in this way by adding the 7 to the previous term, but it will be a lengthy process. Okay, so how to find out it? By using the formula that we have studied. See here. Now we know that the common difference is 7 because first term is 105, second term is 112. So the common difference A2 minus A1, that is equals to 7. Also, we have given in the question is that we have to find out the numbers which are divisible by 7. So obviously the common difference will be the 7. Okay, and the last term we will get is 994, which is divisible by 7, because 999, 998, 997, 996 and 995 all are not divisible by 7. So the last term that we get which is divisible by 7 is 994. So now we have the value of that term and let us give it an. Now we have first term, common difference, last term value, but we have to find out the number of that term. Value we have, but we don't know which term is this. Either it will be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, that we don't know, and that we have to find out. Okay, that is why here n, that is we have to find out. Okay, use this formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have the value of an, that is 994. A is 105 plus n minus 1 and d is 7. Okay, now take this 105 to the left hand side. We will get here 889, and right hand side n minus 1 into 7 will remain as it is. Now by dividing the 7 this side, we will get 127. So n minus 1 is equals to 127. By taking 1 to the right hand side, we will get the n is equals to 128. Okay, so how many numbers are there which is divisible by 7? 128 numbers are there which is divisible by 7. And which kind of numbers are there? 3-digit numbers. Okay, so in this way we can solve this type of question. Okay, let us study question number 40. What is the question? Question is, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? See, the same type of question is given here. Here we have to find out the numbers which is divisible by 7. Here we will have to find out the multiple of 4s. But in which two numbers? Between 10 and 250. Right? So, here also 10 is not divisible by 4. So, which number? First number we get which is divisible by 4, that is 12. So, give it the first term a. A1 or a is equals to 12. Again we know the difference. Difference is 4 because the next number we will get after 12 is 16. After that we will get the 20 that we know. So the common difference will be 4 here. And which is the last term which is divisible by 4? 250 is not divisible by 4. 249 is not divisible by 4. 248 is divisible by 4. So let it give it the an. Right? That is the last term an. So what we have to find out? Value of n. That how many numbers which are the multiple of 4. Okay. So now use this formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 248. A is 12 plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 4. So by taking this 12 to the left hand side, here we will get 236 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. By dividing 4, we will get n minus 1 is equals to 59. And by taking this one to the right hand side, we will get the n is equals to 60. So there are 60 numbers we get which are the multiple of 4 in between 10 and 250. Okay, so this is how we can solve this type of question. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.